Hi, this is Neil at Untitled Autos. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove an Alfa 145 door card. If you do find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and like the video, and it would also be grateful if you could share the video as well. Thank you very much. So I'm going to start by removing the three bungs within the door, and then I'm going to remove the speaker cover. The speaker cover can be quite difficult and very delicate as well. You need to gently pry it from the left and from the right and a little bit from the bottom, and then slide it out. Okay, first of all I'm going to remove the 4 screws by the speaker. Well, there should be 4, but there's only 3 on this one. There's then 2 Allen key bolts in the door handle. I'm going to remove those. Then there's another cover on the door latch. I'm going to remove that, and then undo the 2 Phillips screws. Okay, now that's done, I've also removed the window switch. Now I'm going to be using my pry bar to pry around the edges of the door card to release them from the clips. Okay, a lot of the clips on that were quite loose, but when you do it you will normally find that the clips are really tight, and it's also really tight around the speaker grill as well. So there's the clips, they're all dotted all the way around the outside of the door, and just make sure that they're all in place and straight. Okay, now the door card's refitted, I'm going to be refitting this door handle trim piece. What you need to do, because there's 2 little clips for it to sit on in there, 2 little clips, one there and one there, you need to push those into position first before you can put the screw back in. As you can see, it's now clipped over there. If you're finding that it's sitting too proud, it's because it's not clipped in correctly, so just give it a tap and it should go in. Just refit the screws now. switch can now go back on, and that just slots into position. The top cover is just held in place by one small Phillips screw and two clips over this side. And then speaker, one connection. Refitting the speaker cover, this needs to go at the top. Slot that in first and then push. And now I'm going to refit the two bolts in here. Bolt to go under here, screw even. And now refit your three covers. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.